Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It should be tasty, quick, easy and equally healthy. Nowadays we all have busy schedule and due to this we always compromise with the taste or nutrition or sometimes we simply skip the breakfast. So today I am going to share 7 breakfast recipes for the entire week. These recipes are healthy, tasty and equally easy. We all have one concept that healthy food are not tasty at all. But this is not true. We can have nutrition rich food in a tasty and healthy manner. So our first recipe is overnight oats meal. And the ingredients are oats, milk and dry fruits. Roast the oat directly in a pan until it becomes brown. Simultaneously boil 200 ml of milk. Now add the warm milk into the oats and mix the oat and the milk properly and add the dry fruits. Here I have taken cashew, almond and raisins. You can take whatever you want. Do not add sugar at any point in the milk. Now keep the oats in the fridge and leave it for whole night. Next morning take out the oats from the fridge. Now if you want you can add more milk as per the need and mix it properly. Now before consumption, let's decorate with more nutrition. Fruit garnishing with milk oats make it complete meal. Banana provide the sweetness we want and energy for the day. You can try different fruit combination for garnishing. So here is our overnight oatmeal is ready to eat. Our next recipe is boiled eggs with chickpeas. The ingredients are eggs, black pepper, salt, tomato, onion and chickpeas. First boil the egg for 12 minutes. Here we have cut the onions and tomatoes into small pieces. Now heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in it. And start with frying a medium-sized chopped onion. Now add the chopped tomato in it and slightly fry it. Now add pinch of black pepper and salt according to your taste. Now add the chickpeas in the pan and fry it. Continue frying for 7 to 8 minutes and also prepare the boiled eggs. And now it's time to garnish and serve. Transfer the chickpeas into a clean bowl or any other dish. Decorating your food makes it more tastier. I am adding some coriander for the smell and also for garnishing. So here is our chickpeas with boiled egg recipe. This is tasty, also very rich in protein. Our next recipe is brown chana and omelette. The ingredients are brown chana, egg, onion, garlic, green chili, black pepper and salt. Now heat the pan and take a tablespoon of olive oil. Add a chopped onion, green chilies and garlic into it. Fry this content for some time. add the brown chana and fry it for some time. Brown chana needs to fry it for 12 to 15 minutes. Add some salt and black pepper according to your taste. Now prepare omelette of 2 eggs. Here I am taking 2 whole eggs. You can take only the white part if you are on diet. Now mix the omelette with the brown chana and we are ready to serve. Believe me, this recipe is very tasty. Our next recipe is Kabuli chana and tomato salad. The ingredients are chickpeas, peanut, tomato, onion, chili, mint leaf, coriander and lemon. Cut the tomatoes, onion and green chilies into small pieces. Now mix the tomatoes and onion with the chickpeas in a bowl and add some peanut into it. After that, you add coriander and mint leaves and green chili into the mixture. Next, squeeze the lemon and add salt and black pepper according to your taste. Now mix the whole thing properly and we are ready to serve. Our next recipe is protein bowl. The ingredients are brown chana, chickpeas, peanut, tomato, onion, paneer. Paneer is very rich in protein, that's why we are taking paneer. And sprout, coriander, lemon, green chili and salt. Now add the whole ingredient one by one in a bowl. Now mix it properly. We are squeezing some lemon into it. Now transfer the content in a bowl and we are ready to serve. Our next recipe is egg bhurji with bread. The ingredients are eggs, tomato, onion, green chili, garlic and coriander. Around 3 tablespoons of olive oil is fried with onions first. Now add green chilies. Avoid chili powder in here. After 2-3 minutes, add the chopped tomato and fry it for some time. Now add salt and black pepper according to your taste. Fry the content for 7 to 8 minutes and then add the eggs. Here I am using 2 whole eggs. At the end, add some coriander leaves and stir it until it becomes dry. You can serve this with toasted bread or normal bread as you want. So here we are done with this recipe. Our next recipe is Frankie or simply egg roll. Now in a bowl, take 2 eggs, chopped onion, green chilies, coriander, salt and black pepper and mix the contents properly. Now heat the pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. And next pour the contents into frying pan. Make sure the omelette is properly cooked from the both sides. Here I am taking one leftover chapati. Now put the omelette on the chapati and let's roll. So here is our omelette roll is ready to eat. If you like my video, then don't forget to share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel.